Hi, it's Rebecca with Miss Kate. I'm going to show you the Love Soccer Kit. All right, so we've got our cover page right here. Shows us a good guide of how I can put this together. Now, soccer is one of my favorite things in life. I loved to play in soccer when I was younger, but my boys have all loved to play. So I'm going to put some of these memories of my husband and my son, my oldest son. They got to travel to Barcelona, Spain. They got to see their hero, Messi, play in a game, live. This is Messi with the ball. This is Caden, my oldest, again. What fun memories that we're able to preserve with these page kits. Okay, so I just was able to pop those out so quickly, cleanly. I've got my Love Soccer and then the stars and the balls that I get to put wherever I want to. These add such a cute little pop to the page. Here I'm going to look for some more of the soccer die cuts. So I like this one, it's got a little ball in the grass. So I'm going to use the border soccer die cut right here. I like that it has some grass on this one. And let's do goal right here, since we all know that Messi is the king of goals. So here is our page kit all finished with my husband and my son and the memories of them traveling to Barcelona to see Messi play.
Come and join our monthly page kit club. All page kits are $5. For every 10 kits you buy, you get a free page kit. There are over 30 page kits to choose from every month, and we'll ship it out to you for free. If you want your page kits shipped out before you've reached the 10 mark that gives you the free shipping, just email us at misskatecuttables@gmail.com. We'll just invoice you for the shipping. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoy our page kits.